Hello everyone and welcome! I feel like I just did a Stitch Fix unboxing. I think that mainly came down to it because it was, you know, like on them. They sent it to me as like an apology box because the one before that was like so not good. I'm also so glad. I feel like I've been getting quite a few comments recently saying that you guys love these Stitch Fix videos from me, and I'm so glad because I love doing them here on my channel. I think it's something fun. I think it's something a little different. I just love the idea of Stitch Fix as a company. They've always been really good to me just in terms of not just because, you know, I'm here on YouTube making videos, but like as a customer, because I do pay for these boxes. You know, whenever I do need customer support or, you know, if something was wrong, they always make it right for me and they always go like above and beyond in making it right. So I love Stitch Fix as a company. I love what they do. For anyone real quick, if you don't know what Stitch Fix is, it's essentially a clothing, not subscription service, but like a styling service that you can do online where you create your little profile, you say what kind of outfits you like and you don't like, what your style is, whatever kind of increments you want. If you want one of these every couple weeks, if you want it every couple months, you can do that. You can not sign up for like any of them, you know, you can just go take your style profile quiz and eventually when you decide you want one, you can schedule a fix and then after that you can wait a year, you know, however long, and you get to pick basically whenever you get a fix. You've got straight sizes, plus sizes, kids, men. I always have my affiliate link down below, so if you want to use that, you can get, I think essentially you're getting your first box for free. It takes away the styling fee from it. I think you get 25 bucks. And then it also gets me money. I can spend it on more Stitch Fixes, on the clothes that's inside of them, that sort of a thing. So I really appreciate it if you use my link, and I say why not? I mean, why not get that money off when you can? And then they send you 5 items and you can say, you know, like for me, I don't want purses, or you could say I don't want any dresses, or you could say I only want dresses, and then your stylist, you know, is supposed to listen to you and they will send you the 5 items. Otherwise it'll be a mix. You could get jewelry, shoes, bags, coats, bottoms of clothes, all that good stuff. I don't remember. I don't know that I requested anything specifically in this box. I don't think I did. I think just my usual, you know, no maxi skirts, no cold shoulder tops, that sort of a thing. But let's see, you guys. Let's see if we got Sasha again. I hope so. She's my good stylist. She seems to know my style the best out of anyone that has ever styled me for these. It also comes with your prepaid return envelope here so that anything you don't want you can send back, or if you need to make an exchange, like if the item is damaged, which has only happened to me a couple times, but it has happened, or if you just need a different size, if something didn't fit you, you send it all back, it's all free. I've got the little card with all of the stylist notes and also the prices of the items. I'm still on the lowest price tier here because I have just found that those have been the clothes that I've enjoyed the most. So let's see, you guys. I'm seeing, oh, soft. I'm seeing so many textures and patterns, and okay, I can't hold all of that. But I'm excited. Okay, so it looks like we got some jewelry. Let's see. Okay, this might be something that I said I liked. Another thing that Stitch Fix has added that I really like. I think it was a really good addition for them. At least I think. This looks kind of familiar. In any case, I do like it. Kind of reminds me of keys, but they added on where you can go on every day if you want and click through some things. It's basically like your style profile quiz all over again, but like they'll show you a shirt and you say whether you like it or not. And then I've had it happen once, I think, where one of those things I said I thought was really cute, and that, yes, I gave it a thumbs up. I ended up getting in my box, and I love it. I wear those earrings all the time, but here you go. Here is the necklace. It is long. I think I like it. I'm not sure. This might be one of those necklaces where once I put it on, I'll like it a lot more. So I'll have to look and see. But up top, oh, this is so soft. This is so soft. Like, one of the softest things I've ever touched. It almost feels like velvet, but it's not velvet. It's just soft. And oh, this is so pretty. This is from 9 Britain, a size extra large, and this is just reminding me of spring. But it's navy, which I love. I love a good navy. It almost looks black. And it's got these adorable little pink flowers on it. Oh, so cute. And it looks like it's got a nice flutter sleeve, which I think is really flattering on me. It's got a tie at the front, a nice like substantial tie. That's nice. And then in the back, it's got a keyhole. Oh, this shirt screams me. Oh, I'm excited. Something that also screams me. I see a sweater here. At least I think it's, yep, it's a sweater. Okay, I'm not sure about this one. I feel like I like the idea of elbow patches, but then I don't actually really like them on me. I think it just makes me look a bit, I don't know, it's almost a bit too manny of a style for me. This is from the brand August Mist. It's made with love. That's nice. I mean, it's a nice soft sweater. It's just a cream sweater, and then it's got those elbow details. The body and the back of it is like a knit pattern, and then it's a different kind of a knit. You get what I'm saying for the sleeves? So we'll see. I'm kind of on the fence on that one. Then I see an emerald green. This is good. This is good. I love this color. It's kind of a mix between a turtleneck and a cowl neck. This is again from the 9 Breton brand. And this is like a little sweater dress. It's cute. Definitely, I bet this would look really cute with that necklace for sure. Be a little form-fitting for me. But hey, I did just start working out again, so we're working on it. Working on that body confidence. But I mean, in any case, it feels really nicely made. And then we have another sweater here, which, oh, this is up my alley. Oh, it's not a sweater. It's a cardigan! Oh, Stitch Fix. Oh, you know how to get me. You know how to get me with a good cardigan. I actually don't have any brown cardigans. Okay, and see, this is probably something where I might want to, if this is something I'm gonna keep, I'm probably gonna want to exchange this because it's got some snags here in the sleeve, which is too bad. I mean, if anything, that kind of a thing with these kind of knits, I mean, it happens. You can just kind of poke it through and tuck it in, and nobody's the wiser for it, but it's nice and long. It's got pockets. Oh, cardigan time. Let's go try some things on, shall we? All right, so here was I was wrong and I'm pleasantly surprised kind of a moment. I think the necklace made this one. This is actually like, it's fine on me. It's not something that I'm like gaga over, that's for sure, but I think it fits me well. I like that it's got the zoop kind of a hem to it. Nice quality. It's not too heavy or anything, so I would feel comfortable. I'm not going to get too sweaty in this anyways. I like that the neckline isn't like choking me or anything. And I think it's really nice. I think the long necklace makes it. I like the necklace with it. I think it's cute. Like, it would be just a really easy, you know, with jeans or something and some boots. It'd be a cute little look. Although I would want to rub my elbows all day. So soft. Honestly, the more and more I wear this necklace, I'm digging it. I'm digging it. Also digging this shirt. This is so cute. It is so soft, like I've said a million times. It is so comfy. Not sure if you can see with my black bottoms, but it is a bit shorter on me than I typically wear in a t-shirt, but I think, you know, with the knot detail of it, that works. I love the sleeves that, like I said, they are fluttery, but they're not like an overwhelming flutter, you know what I mean? It's just nice. It keeps things nice and airy and breezy. I think the necklace looks really cute with it. Something's telling me this cardigan will look adorable with this too. Oh my god. I mean, shut up. Shut up! This, yes, this as an outfit, if I had on, I mean, I could wear it with leggings like this, but I would pair it with some jeans. I could pair it with those green tennis shoes that I got from, I think it was my last Stitch Fix. So cute! Again, it's a nice lightweight cardigan. I love the stripes on it. I love the color. I don't have anything this color in my wardrobe, I don't think, but I do like it. It's nice and long. It's got the slits at the side. It's got pockets. It's just real comfy cozy. Still lightweight, where I wouldn't feel too weighed down in this. Looks cute with the shirt and the necklace and oh yes, these 3 items for sure. These 3 items for sure. Does the necklace work with this? I don't know. this is another one that is just, it's just okay. I'm trying to remember if it was last time or the time before, but these kind of necklines, they're not my jam. I don't know what it is. I don't really care for the way they look on me. The thing fits me. I really do like the color, that's for sure. It's one of those things where there's nothing like wrong with this, but I actually do have a green dress that I really love from Torrid that's like this same kind of a length and a similar kind of a color that I really, really enjoy. So it just, for me, it wouldn't make sense to keep this because I'm not in love with it. And like I said, I do own something quite similar that I love a lot more than this. But hey, not a complete fail here. Not by any means. All right, so let's talk about these things, yeah? I mean, we've already talked about them, but let's talk prices. Ah, hello. So, as always, we get our note from the stylist. Yay, we did get Sasha! And we also get outfit suggestions here. Sasha said, "Welcome back, Cassie. I'm so glad that you enjoyed your last fix." She asks if there's anything specific I'm looking for next. I started your 16th fix with the dress because of its flowy and breathable material and gorgeous color. I mean, those things definitely are things that I look for. Rock it with tights, knee-high boots, and layer with the pink clover cardigan. Oh, I noticed lots of cardigans on your Pinterest, so I know you'll love this cardigan with lots of pieces. Yes. Hello, my name is Cassie. I'm a cardigan addict. You can wear it over the t-shirt that was included, along with the necklace, some jeans, and wedges. It's still really cold where you live. You will love cozying up in the August mist elbow patch pullover with jeans and your new cardigan. Girl, come on! I don't wear a cardigan over a sweater. That's not... Do people do that? Maybe if people get really cold. I am way too hot of a person to do that, but I can't, I guess I'm just not the type of person that wears long sleeves with a cardigan. Like, I like having either a tank top or a t-shirt underneath that, but that might just be because I am always so hot and sweaty. I say always. I'm not right now, but do you get what I'm saying? Okay, let's look at prices, yeah? Because I know there's a few things that I do really want to keep. Yeah, okay, prices look pretty good. So this ribbed dress is $48, which I think, you know, for a retail type of a thing and with the quality that it feels, I think that sounds about right. The elbow patch pullover is $46, which again, for retail, I think that is about right. I could see maybe it retailing more for like $40, but it was pretty close. And then the things that matter to me, this t-shirt is $38, which I think is perfect. It's a steal. I mean, the quality of this, the softness, I can't even explain to you guys. It is insane how soft this is. Feels like really good quality, good material. So that's a-okay. They say it's black. No way. This is navy. In any case. And then the 2-pocket duster, which is from a brand that I know I really like that comes in my Stitch Fix a lot, from Pink Clover. This is $48, which, you know, I could see like Urban Outfitters or something selling this for that price, if not for more. And then the necklace is $28, which again, I could definitely see this selling at like, you know, a Nordstrom, Urban Outfitters, whatever, for the same type of a price. So if I were to purchase everything in here, Stitch Fix does do, if you buy all 5 things that were in your fix, you get a 25% discount off of everything, which honestly would almost make sense for me to do because the 3 things that I do want to keep, these 3 right here, pendant, cardigan, t-shirt, those are gonna add up to like $110, and if I bought everything together, it would only be $156. I say only, but like if you were to buy these things retail, like I feel like that is a price that would come up on the register, at least if you buy it full retail from certain locations. So I'm gonna be good though and not do that, you know, if I'm not gonna keep something that I know I'm probably never gonna wear, and that would be these 2 items. So I am gonna send those back, but I have to check with the cardigan because sometimes, I mean, even though, you know, you can make an exchange if the item is damaged, if they don't have any left in stock in my size, I'll have to check. Then I'll just keep this and I'll make it work. But if not, I will send that back and exchange this because, you know, when you're paying full price for something, you shouldn't have to pay for it damaged. Do you get what I'm saying? Oh, and then also a nice thing about Stitch Fix too is the $20 styling fee that you do pay for to get your fix in the mail, that does get deducted off of the price of the clothes. So what did I say? It would be like $110 for everything that I bought. That'll come down to $90 for everything that I bought. So that I can totally handle, that I can accept. You know, I am trying to just, you know, be more mindful, buy less crap in my life and spend it more on quality items that will last me longer in the long run, and really just keep it to things that I really, really love, which these things I do. Another thing that I really love about Stitch Fix is that it gets me to try some things that I wouldn't otherwise, like that sweater and that dress that I'm sending back. Even though they're not perfect for me, they still, you know, were outside of my comfort zone, and I ended up actually liking that sweater on me. You know, it's not like a favorite of mine. I didn't love it on me, but I did think it was really cute. And like I said, if I found that at like a thrift store or something, I would be tempted to purchase it. So that is another reason why I love getting these fixes, just to try some stuff new and some things that otherwise I might not ever see these brands anywhere. So I mainly shop at thrift stores otherwise. So yeah, I think that is going to do it for me for this video. Like I said, I do always have my affiliate link down below if you want to try out Stitch Fix for yourself. Let me know what you thought of these items on me down in the comments below. Which ones were your favorite? What would you have kept? Also let me know just if you enjoyed the video in those comments below, and also by giving me a thumbs up down below. I'd really appreciate it. And if you're new here, hey, hi, hello, how are you? You can go ahead and subscribe, tippity tap that notification bell. You can become a member of my casserole family here on my channel. I'd love to have you here. And as always, I just hope you guys are all doing well. And until next time, just stay well until then. Bye!